When you transmit energy over electrical lines, over wires, you actually lose some of the electricity. It costs electricity basically to send the energy across the wires. And the further you send it, the more of the electricity it costs. If you take money and you go deposit it into a bank account and then you wire it to someone, right? It costs money to do this. It costs money to have the account. It costs money to wire. If you keep the money in your bank account, it's subject to inflation, which is the increasing of the supply of money and the increasing of prices. So it kind of costs energy to use energy, or it costs money to use money. Well, what is our most valuable resource? Well, possibly it's our attention. We seem to be the species that is able to marshal our attention, and through some, spiritual trickery, or I don't know exactly what it is, we're able to concentrate our attention and then direct it. Okay, we can direct it to our body, we can direct it to our emotions, we can direct it to our thoughts, we can direct it to goals, we can direct it to relationships, we can direct it to learning skills or projects. And it's this kind of awareness of our awareness and our ability to use our will to direct our own attention and awareness that a lot of the success in life comes from. But what I've noticed is that in order to get better at directing your own attention, at marshaling your willpower to focus your attention and your awareness like a searchlight, on your third eye. My friend Brad Blanton describes it that way, right? So that when you're kind of looking out, you're focusing your consciousness in a particular direction. It's very useful to practice, right? Practice this. And just like transmitting electricity through electrical lines costs a little bit of the electricity, or using money and putting it into bank accounts and sending it out costs a little bit of the money itself, I think that it's useful to think about attention being this way, so that to direct attention kind of costs attention. It costs you some of the resource itself to use it more intentionally. And for me, one of the mindset shifts that's been very important is that by practicing bringing my attention here right now, whether we would call that mindfulness, which is kind of a terrible word for it, but when you fill your mind with awareness, let's just say, right? Mindfulness in that sense, or meditation, or concentration maybe. When we do these things and we practice it for a few minutes, it feels maybe like we're wasting that attention. It feels like, okay, well, I just meditated for 10 minutes. I just wasted, 10 minutes worth of attention that I could have been doing something. But in reality, I think there's an optimal balance where if we think of it as investing some of our attention in developing the ability to direct our attention, then when we go back to normal life or our work or our relationships, we'll have a little bit more awareness of what's happening, and we'll be able to be more intentional and be more conscious. And so I think it's useful every day to meditate for at least a few minutes, to be mindful for at least a few minutes, to come into our bodies and to just attend to our senses. Okay? Just notice how our body feels. Feel, right, our sense of touch. Notice our sense of taste. Notice what you can smell. Listen through your ears. Notice what you can hear. Look out through your eyes. Notice what you can see around you. Tune into your emotions. And just be with them for a moment. Don't try to change them. Just be there with them. Notice our thoughts. Just witness thinking for a moment. And then to move on beyond that and activate imagination and to consciously visualize, to imagine the future that we want to create. And I think by doing this, by practicing mindfulness, by practicing presence, by meditating, even for a few minutes a day, that we are building our conscious willpower, or our willpower around consciousness, our ability to direct our own minds, our own awareness. And I believe that this is what can make us very powerful.